Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Node.js with MongoDB. We will start from scratch, creating a MongoDB Atlas account, setting up database and finally connecting it to Node.js. Now we will see creating MongoDB Atlas account. Now open browser and simply type here MongoDB Atlas. So go to Atlas database and click on sign in. So if you are new to this MongoDB Atlas, just simply click on sign up. So you can log in with your Google or email. So I'm signing up with my Google. Yeah, continue. Yeah, now my MongoDB account is setting up. Yeah, primary goal. I'm selecting JavaScript or Node.js and project. You can select anything. Microservice and event driven and serverless. Yeah, just click on finish. Yeah, now you have to create a new cluster. Yeah, so select free version, so it will not charge anything. Yeah, here I'm creating cluster, so I'm simply clicking on AWS provider and Mumbai because this is my nearest region. Yeah, so I just click on create deployment. Now we successfully created cluster, and now we will create database user and connection string. In the Atlas dashboard, select database access, and as you can see there is no user, so simply click on add new database user. So you can give username as demo user and so add some description like learning, and here select the role. As of now you can select Atlas admin, and now simply click on add user. Yeah, now the user has been successfully added. Go to network access, select edit, and allow access from anywhere, confirm, and select clusters. Now simply click on connect. Select drivers. Yeah, I'm selecting Node.js. Now copy the connection string like this. Yeah, done. You can see the browse collections. Now we will set up Node.js project. Create a folder backend and initialize the Node.js npm init y. So the package.json file is added. Now we will install some of the dependencies. Npm install express, mongoose and cors. the dependencies are installing. Now the packages are added. Now we can see here the cos express mongoose has been added. Now simply create a file in backend. So we will make connection from here to MongoDB. Now we will start importing two essential packages, that is express and mongoose. Now we will understand what is the significance of these two packages. The Express, a web framework for Node.js, it is responsible for HTTP requests and routing for Node.js. And Mongoose. Mongoose, a library that makes working with MongoDB easier by providing schema-based solutions. Yeah, now we will initialize app. We have to initialize, right? So as we are importing here, so now I have initialized here. Now we will add middleware app.use of express.json of. This allows our apps to accept JSON data in response. This is super useful for APIs. Yeah. Now we will create a variable called Mongo URI. Yeah. Now replace this with actual Mongo connection string. If you are using MongoDB, you will get this from cluster dashboard. As you can see in the starting of the video, we have created MongoDB Atlas account and we got the MongoDB connection string in the drivers. So you have copied that string. So please replace in the Mongo URI. Now we will connect MongoDB using Mongoose. I am using Mongoose dot connect. I'm passing the Mongo URL here. So now we will add .then off and .catch off to handle the success and failure of this connection. Yeah, I have added the .then off. Now I will add .catch off. So it will throws an error if the connection got failed. If the connection is successful, we'll log success message, and if it fails, we catch the error and log it in the console. Yeah. Here we define a basic get route at the root URL. When someone visits the route in the browser, they will see this simple message. Yeah. Now we will declare the port. Now 5000 is not working in my PC, so I'm just changing it to 5001. Now we will start the server. Like we have to listen for the port 5001. So 5000, listen to the 5001 port. Now start the application. Now the server is listening on 5001 and we will see the message from the Mongoose. As you can see that it thrown an error, Mongo service selection error, connect refused, because I haven't changed the Mongo URL here. Yeah, now we will replace Mongoose URL from the MongoDB Atlas. Yeah, now click on cluster. Now click on connect. So select drivers. So we have to paste this connection string in the Node.js server. So I copied the URL and here I am replacing with the actual connection string. So one thing here, you have to replace the actual password here. So I'm replacing my password. I recommend to use .env file, so it is the safer to use sensitive URLs. So I'm saving this one, so the port is automatically gets run. The MongoDB is connected, as you can see in the console logs, and the server is running on port 5001. We will test in the browser by simply going to that port. Yeah, it's successful. As you can see the message, hello from Node.js plus MongoDB server. That's it. You successfully connected Node.js with MongoDB. In the next video, we will integrate this backend with a React frontend by leveraging some authentication and simple CRUD operations. See you in the next video. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and please subscribe to my channel.